Mae gwastadeddau Gwent yn ymestyn o gas Gwent i Gaerdydd, ac mae'n ardal o tua 100 milltir sgwar. Mae bron i 7,500 o dai wedi codi ar y gwastadeddau yn ogystal â busnesau a chysylltiadau trafnidiaeth pwysig gan gynnwys reilffordd a'r M4. Dyma hefyd leoliad fferm da byw Len Atwel. Mae ei deulu wedi bod yn ffermio yma ers 4 cenhedlaeth. Mae ei dir yn gorffen lle mae aber afon Hafren yn cychwyn. Mae efo'r farn y gall fod mewn perygl o golli dir a'i fywoliaeth os yw'r dŵr yn torri drwy'r amddiffynfeydd.
Salt water and good grassland production don't mix, and it will ruin our farm, and it will ruin our whole industry and every other farm on the levels. Whilst the flood warning is very laudable from the Environment Agency, in our particular situation here, we would have to go through an extra metre of water before we could even get to high ground, and it's just not feasible. These things don't happen. This young lady here, my granddaughter, would not be able to find high ground because she's a little bit shorter than the water that she'd have to go through.
Nid yw'r llifogydd yn ddim byd newydd ar y gwastadeddau. Mae cofnodion yn dangos i'r dŵr godi unwaith i 8.4 metr uwchlaw lefel y môr ym 1981. Mae llifogydd difrifol eraill wedi bod cyn ac ers hynny hefyd. Mae cyngrair amddiffyn gwastadeddau Gwent trag llifogydd yn galw am adeiladu amddiffynfeydd newydd mwyn amddiffyn yr ardal, ac fydd yn costio rhwng 45 a 70 miliwn o bunnoedd. Mae'r gyngrair o'r farn gallai hynny atal bil o filiynau os byddai'r dŵr yn torri trwy'r amddiffynfeydd a boddi'r ardal unwaith eto.
If we lose the M4 even for a few days, if we lose the railway line and the Severn Tunnel, we lose the sewage infrastructure, the electricity infrastructure, the cost to put all these systems back in place and to rehouse the people who have to move out while the house is done could be in excess, or considerably in excess, of 2.5 billion. That's a very loose estimate for the information that we've got access to.
Mae adroddiad newydd gan Pwyllgor Cyfrifon Cyhoeddus Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yn galw ar Lywodraeth Cymru i weithredun gynt i fynd i'r afael ag erydu arfordirol a llifogydd llanw yng Nghymru. Mae'r ardal o amgylch Cul y Coed a Gwyn Llwg yn un o sawl ardal sydd wedi nodi fel un sydd mewn perygl o lifogydd yng Nghymru. Mae rhannau o Sir Gaerfyrddin a Chlwyd hefyd wedi nodi fel ardaloedd all fod mewn perygl. Mae'r adroddiad yn cydnabod bod angen dull radical o reoli erydu arfordirol a llifogydd llanw yng Nghymru, ond ei fod yn cymryd gormod o amser.
Well, the committee was certainly encouraged by some of the policies and options it heard for protecting our coastline. It was frustrated to hear about the lack of progress towards implementing them. There are organisations and authorities waiting for a steer from the Welsh Assembly Government, but the sands of time are running out. People on the Gwent levels and Cardiganshire and Clwyd coastlines can't afford to wait and watch the water encroach on their homes and businesses. They need to know what is being done to help them. The Welsh Assembly Government must now tell these people exactly which bits of the New Approaches programme were taken on in other ways and what plans are now in place.
Gallwch gweld a lawrlwytho adroddiad llawn Pwyllgor Cyfrifon Cyhoeddus o'n gwefan www.cynulliadcymru.org.